Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato sauce healthy. To begin, focus on selecting the freshest, ripest tomatoes available, as they form the foundation of a nutritious sauce. Remember to limit added sugars and excessive sodium, which can detract from the health benefits. Incorporate healthy fats like extra virgin olive oil to aid in nutrient absorption. Finally, boost your sauce with plenty of vegetables for increased fiber and essential vitamins. When selecting ingredients, prioritize organic tomatoes if possible to minimize pesticide exposure. Enhance the natural taste of your sauce with fresh herbs such as basil and oregano, avoiding artificial flavorings. If fresh tomatoes are not in season, opt for low-sodium canned varieties to control salt intake. Don't forget to include aromatic vegetables like onions and garlic, which add significant depth and beneficial compounds. For healthy cooking, begin by sautéing your chosen vegetables in just 1 or 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Allow the sauce to simmer gently for at least 30 minutes, letting the flavors fully develop without overcooking. This gentle heat helps preserve the nutritional value of your ingredients. For a smoother texture, blend about 1/4 of the sauce before combining it back in, avoiding heavy creams. To further boost your sauce's nutrition, stir in a handful of leafy greens, like fresh spinach, during the last few minutes of cooking. For a subtle kick and metabolism boost, consider adding a small pinch of red pepper flakes. Once cooled, store your homemade sauce in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer preservation, freeze it in convenient small portions for future healthy meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.